Hey, Mommy.
Welcome to my life. Letty Show.
Anyways, guys, if your significant other gets you in a fucking mood, you just get this hammer, fucking go to town on these motherfuckers right here. Next, you get some cebolla, and throw that bitch up in here like this. Excuse me, I'm a little tall boy. And you just fucking fry these things. So I use Mexican onions, so now you get a little bit of the green ones, and you same thing, fucking throw them in there. Keep it pushing. You get your salsa only from a taquera place, and put that fucker in there. So next, what I did was I added some water, and I added a little bit of salt. You can add a little bouillon, which is powdered broth. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and squirt a couple dashes of some lime juice, and this is a Peruvian lime. Let your salsa simmer for about 5 minutes. Then you get your bag of frustration, and you're just gonna sprinkle that motherfucker in there like so. Boom. And then you're just gonna mix it and then let it simmer. Now, the American terminology is pork rind, but Spanish it's called chicharos, right? So people usually eat these when they wanna absorb all that beer when they're drinking beer, but they're like sponges, so you wanna hurry up and mix it. So here's the secret ingredient: a little bit of cerveza. And I hope you don't show this to your abuelas, because then they're gonna get all mad. But yeah, just a little bit of some carbonation won't hurt nobody, honey.
Oh yeah. Oh, right. I do not feel no more pressure. The records they keep getting better. Your bitch told me that you are extra. See, I make a pussy get wet. Don't ever speak on the game.